Welcome to California, and today we are staying next to San Diego in Alila Marea Beach Resort. It's next to the ocean, it's beautiful, small luxury hotel resort.
We are staying at a one-king bedroom with the ocean front and a huge balcony to enjoy the views, and it costs $750 per night.
Worth it? Let's check. What do we have here? Here we have dining table, we have one king bed, we have TV nook, and of course we have beautiful ocean. You can hear the sound. So, and this hotel reminds me sci-fi movie because like here is so quiet, and this design, like, it's simple but it's stylish. Every single touch is like from wood or leather or natural material. So here we have this hall, and in the hall we have this like a small kitchen set up for coffee, and here we have some kettle for tea. Of course we have some coffee machine, we have water, we have wine opener, and here we have safe. So, and of course we have here fridge. It's good. Of course we have this closet with two cozy bathrooms, and now I'm gonna show you the bathroom. And what's cool about this bathroom, we have this wood shower. It's like a sauna, you know. And the bathroom a little bit small, but also it's like a cool design here, and especially the shower. Unfortunately we don't have any bathtub, but we have separate restroom, and like, yeah, the design of this bathroom is super cool. So, and now let's talk about new technology. As this hotel is brand new, so it should be cool devices here. So first of all, we have this cool guy, and you can connect your phone and listen some music or radio. So, and here we have two plugs and three USB charger, and unfortunately not Type-C. We have this huge screen. And what I love about this room, we have these cool devices in the kitchen. Privacy is manual, but we have this wood key from your room, and you can open the door. It's cool. It's real wood.
And the location here is pretty cool because it's in the Carlsbad, and it's approximately half an hour to San Diego and approximately 2 hours back home to LA. So you have options. Alila Resort is all about your connection with nature, and also we have some yoga classes, fitness classes, gym, or you can just run on your own. And besides, they have really beautiful common grounds. So let's go and check it out.
So here's like a cool common grounds and playing room. I don't know, it's for everyone, but it's open. It's called bungalow. And also we have here a lot of games. So yeah, we have football.
Why are you so sad?
Because I want to go to the pool and I don't have sleepers, and I tried to request, and this is 5 stars beach resort, doesn't have any sleepers at all.
No way.
Yeah, it's so sad.
So you have an option to go in your sneakers or
Barefoot. Yeah, I got a sleepers. They worth it $700 per night. So, and now let's check the dusty places. And this is a beach resort and should be a lot of sand inside this room. Let's check and start from this couch. Oh my gosh. So no sand here, but we have a lot of dust here. Look at this design. Let me get some napkins. So this design is hard to clean and we're gonna check. Of course it's dusty. And also look, we have this like controller, but it's not working. I don't know. What should I do with this guy? So, and now let's check this headboard. The headboard is clean. So, and here we have this shelf, but like it's very weird design because it should be like some for coat or towel, you know, like a beach towel, but like under we have this like a kitchen station, so like it's super weird design. But let's check if it's dusty. It's clean.
Clean?
Yeah. So, and now let's check the yellow stain. They tried to hide from me something probably. Oh, here I found some sand from beach. Look. No, the mattress is clean, but we have some sand. So this hotel is brand new, but has a lot of dust here. So, and now it's the evening time and let's go and check out this pool. Because no one right now at the pool. Let's go. Yeah, pool time!
And you've got sleepers.
Yeah! Crazy weather. Yeah, it's a perfect time to go to the jacuzzi like when like rainy outside. So you have to enjoy it. If it's rain outside, it doesn't matter, you should go to the pool because like that's the only one what include at this resort at your price. So everything is extra. Restaurant is extra, spa is extra, everything is extra. But this beautiful jacuzzi is free of charge. You see, we have infinity pool. So I have an idea about umbrella.
You've got a big umbrella.
Yeah. Good morning. I sleep so good because ocean sound is so amazing and the bed is comfy. Yeah, it's a perfect morning. And now let's go to the breakfast. Cheers.
Good morning.
So today we're gonna do French toast, pancakes and breakfast sandwich. And let's check.
The ocean view is really nice here, yeah?
Yeah. So here you go. I have my favorite breakfast, French toast. Let me try. Yeah, it's not bad. I'm not sure about this cream, but French toast is not bad.
What do you have on top?
I have some fruits and some cream. So, and now we're gonna try these pancakes with halva. And halva is like very like Ukrainian food, and I don't know where the guy gets this.
Yeah, we never saw this before in the US, right?
Yeah.
It's like with sausage.
It's a real halva.
Yeah.
Oh wow, pancakes is so fluffy. But I need to try first. Oh my gosh, pancake is much better than French toast. So this guy will go with us. It's a breakfast sandwich, but looks like a burger. And these restaurants you will have for breakfast, dinner, and lunch.
It's called Waga.
Yeah, it's called Vaga.
So they just have one restaurant.
Yeah, but with beautiful ocean view. So guys, overall it's a good stay and we have beautiful ocean view and the design of this resort is so cool, but I'm not sure if it's worth it.
Yeah, so the resort itself is just like very small and tiny, and there are not so many areas for us to enjoy. So it's just like I'm not sure what to do here. Just to like walk around the ocean, I mean, I can just come on my schedule anytime and do the same here. They don't even have like a grand lobby, because when we came we were like lost. We didn't know where to go because there was just like a small table and there was no one there, so we couldn't even find the check-in area, which was a mess. And also the service here, I think it could be better. I mean, they're kind of nice, but every time you have some small issues, they are not trying to solve the problems. They just say like, sorry about that, with a smile. And yeah, that's a little frustrating. Like with the sleepers, remember? That was just insane. I didn't expect the resort not to have any sleepers, and maybe yeah, I would just like that, well, okay, so we would just be left without sleepers and would be walking barefoot. I just didn't expect that at all from a resort fee at this like price and this place. So yeah. So would you recommend it to a friend?
You know, like this hotel probably a little bit overpricing, and like it's a pretty small room. Yes, we have like ocean view, but probably it's not enough. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and subscribe to our channel and see you next video. Bye bye.